you might find that you get emails that you basically end up sending out the same response. And if you want to automate that, you can use a feature called filters in Gmail to actually send out templates when you get a certain type of email. So to do that, what you're going to do in the search bar, you're going to click on the show search options button. And in there, you're going to think about maybe it's from a certain person or a certain group, or maybe it has certain words. Maybe it's something about uh, health records or whatever, you're looking at, something that you often have to send the same exact email, or maybe it's an email saying that you will get back to this person as soon as possible, but you don't necessarily want a uh, vacation responder on. So you can add in the word. So maybe it's, I want to say, has the word health records. And maybe, again, I can have in there different filter options. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say create filter. Now, I have a couple of options. So when I have an email come in, I could do a couple of things. But the thing I want to point out down here is when it says, for in this example, it has health records in the text of the email, I can say send template. And then I can choose which template. So maybe you have one where it's something about whatever you're doing with health records, or something more information, or that you're reviewing them currently. You can add in whichever template you want to do. So basically, it's going to send back to them automatically an email about the subject that they're sending you. You could also, if you wanted to make sure that you revise those, or maybe it's something that you had to take care of, you could always add in labels too. I use labels, so you might want to use a label of action, something that you're going to have to take care of, but it's not something you need to take care of right now. And so you'll go through and you would create your filter. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. I lost my button. And then you would go ahead and you'd say create filter. So then when anybody would send you an email that had health records in it, it would automatically send them a template right back. And then you would be able to see that email and still be able to deal with it, but on your own time.